Hi students, this is Viswanath, chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. Last class we completed Lewis acids and its classification. Now see Lewis base. The species which donates electron pair are called Lewis bases. So substance which can donate electron pair, those are Lewis bases. Example NH3, H2O, ROH, ROR, RNH2. Alcohol's general formula, ethers general formula, amines general formula. So these compounds having lone pair of electrons, that's why can act as Lewis bases. Next, in this classification of Lewis bases, neutral species having at least one lone pair of electrons can act as Lewis bases. Example hydrogen N2H4. In this, each nitrogen atom having one lone pair of electrons. Alcohols, ethers, amines. Oxygen 2 lone pairs. In this also oxygen 2 lone pairs. Here nitrogen having one lone pair. Next, anions are negatively charged species. So OH minus, Cl minus, Br minus, these compounds having negative charge and act as Lewis bases. Okay, simple thing. Electron pair acceptors, Lewis acids. Electron pair donors, Lewis bases. That's all. Next, ionization constant of water and its ionic product. Say this. If we consider some quantity of the water, in that already in the previous class, Bronsted-Lowry theory we completed. H2O acts as Bronsted acid and Bronsted base. That means according to Bronsted-Lowry theory, acid means donating proton, base accepting proton. H2O can accept proton and also can donate proton. So if we consider some quantity of water, in that one molecule can donate proton and other water molecule can accept proton. So if we consider two water molecules, this type of reaction takes place. This H2O molecule acts as acid, so it can donate proton. This molecule acts as base, so it can accept proton. By donating proton, it is changed to OH minus. It is acid, it is conjugate base. By accepting proton, it is changed to H3O plus. It is base, it is conjugate acid. Now, ionic equilibrium. Equilibrium constant Kb, Kw equal to, because it is equilibrium constant related to water. That's why symbol is Kw equal to H3O plus and H plus, both are same. Actually, H plus is a highly reactive species. So in water molecule, that H plus can combine with water and forms H3O plus ion, hydronium ion. So here H3O plus and H plus ion, both are same. Ionic equilibrium constant for water Kw equal to H plus ion product concentration, H plus ion concentration into OH minus ion concentration. Here change in the concentration of the reactants is negligible. So here Kw is called ionic product of water. Okay. Next, see this. At 298 Kelvin, H plus ion concentration 1.0 into 10 power minus 7 molar. OH minus ion concentration 1.0 into 10 power minus 7 molar. So substitute these values in equilibrium constant expression for water. Kw equal to this value into this value, this power square. So finally we can get 1 into 10 power minus 14 molar square. Okay. So at 25 degrees Celsius, Kw value is this one, 10 power minus 14 moles square. The value of Kw is temperature dependent as it is equilibrium constant. In chemical equilibrium, we completed characteristics of equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant is a temperature dependent. If we change the temperature, its value will also be changed. So at a particular temperature for a particular reaction, equilibrium constant having a particular value. Here also same thing. At 298 Kelvin temperature, for ionization of the water, equilibrium constant is this one. How much? 10 power minus 14. If we change the temperature, then it's this value we cannot get. We can get another one. If temperature increases, then Kw value also increases, because with increase of temperature, ionization of water increases. If we increase the temperature, more number of water molecules can undergo ionization. That's why H plus ion concentration increases, so that Kw value will also be changed. At low temperature, less number of water molecules undergo ionization. We can get another Kw value. Okay. But at 25 degrees Celsius, this H plus ion concentration and OH minus ion concentration both are equal. So H plus ion concentration is more than OH minus ion concentration. That solution having acidic nature, both are equal. We can say that solution has neutral nature. H plus ion concentration less than OH minus, then we can say that solution having basic nature. Important conditions, remember them carefully. Next, the pH scale. The negative logarithm to the base 10 of the activity of hydrogen ion is called pH scale. Okay. So, negative logarithm to base 10 of the activity of the hydrogen ion. In the solution, we can consider H plus ion concentration. In early days, activity of hydrogen ion is considered. After some time, this was replaced by hydrogen ion concentration, because in dilute solutions, activity of hydrogen ion is equal in magnitude to H plus ion concentration. So finally, pH equal to minus log of H plus ion concentration, molar concentration of H plus ion divided by, pH equal to minus log of molar concentration of H plus ion base 10. Okay. Now see this point. The value of pH and H plus ion concentration are inversely related to each other. pH value is less, H plus ion concentration is more. pH value is more, H plus ion concentration is less. See this, we can understand this point from this formula. Here minus log of H plus ion concentration, that means 1 by log of H plus ion concentration. So we can say pH equal to 1 by log of H plus ion concentration. This is in the numerator, this is in the denominator. That's why these two are inversely related. An acidic solution of HCl having H plus ion concentration 10 power minus 2 molar, then pH equal to 2. Substitute this value in this formula, then we can get this value. A basic solution of NaOH having OH minus ion concentration 10 power minus 4 molar, then pH equal to 10. So related to this, next formula is there, then you can understand more clearly. At 25 degrees Celsius, pure water has H plus ion concentration 10 power minus 7 molar. Hence the pH of pure water is 7. Okay. Substitute that H plus ion concentration in pH formula, then we can get pH of water, that is 7. So remember the conditions. Acidic solution pH less than 7, H plus ion concentration greater than 10 power minus 7 molar. Basic solution pH greater than 7, H plus ion concentration 10 power minus 7 molar. Neutral solution pH equal to 7, H plus ion concentration equal to 10 power minus 7 molar. Okay. So from previous topic we completed this formula. We know that Kw equal to ionic product of water, H plus ion concentration into OH minus ion concentration, that equal to 10 power minus 14. So if we apply logarithm, then finally we can get pKw equal to pH plus pOH equal to 14. So from this we can write pH plus pOH equal to 14. Next, although Kw may change with the temperature, the variations in pH with the temperature are so small that we often ignore it. Kw value is a temperature variable. Temperature changes, Kw will also change. But temperature changes, change in the pH value is negligible. Very small change takes place in the pH values when temperature is changed. That's why these changes we can neglect. A change in pH by just 1 unit also means change in H plus ion by a factor of 10. 1 unit change takes place in pH value, then related H plus ion concentration changed by a factor of 10. See this example, you can understand more clearly. pH value equal to 2. For this, substitute the formula. Minus log of H plus ion concentration base 10 equal to 2. From this, H plus ion concentration equal to 10 power minus 2. Now pH equal to 3. For this pH equal to, apply the formula, then you can get H plus ion concentration equal to 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3. What is the difference? By a factor of 10 or not? So here pH value is 2, here 3. But related H plus ion concentration difference is by a factor of 10. So this is the relation between change in pH and related H plus ion concentration. Next. See the next one. When H plus ion concentration changes by a factor of 100, the value of pH changes by 2 units. See this example. H plus ion concentration 10 power minus 2 molar. Related pH value 2. H plus ion concentration 10 power minus 4 molar. Related pH value 4. Here difference is 100 in case of H plus ion concentration, but related H plus ion related pH values difference how much? 2 units. In this case pH value 2, in this case pH value 4. What is the difference? Just 2 units. So understand this relation. Based on this, multiple choice questions will come. See the first question. Given that Kw for water is 10 power minus 13 moles square at 62 degrees Celsius, compute the sum of pOH and pH for a neutral aqueous solution at 62 degrees Celsius. Given Kw value, from this pKw we calculated, that is 13. Already at 62 degrees Celsius, pH plus pOH equal to pKw. Remember, here temperature is important. 62 degrees Celsius is given, not 25 degrees Celsius. That's why pKw is not equal to 14. At 25 degrees Celsius means pKw value 14, but here different. So according to given data, pH plus pOH equal to 13. What is the option? Option D. Next, for pure water we have to identify pH increases while pOH decreases with rise in temperature. That is not correct. pH decreases while pOH increases with rise in temperature. In case of pure water, if we increase the temperature, the ionization of water molecules increased. That means more number of water molecules undergo ionization, then more number of H plus ion and OH minus ions are increased. Here relation between H plus ion and pH is inversely related. So with the rise of temperature for pure water, both H plus ion concentration and OH minus ion concentration is increased. That means related pH and pOH values are decreased. So see the next option. Both pH and pOH decreases with rise in temperature. So this is the correct one. Both pH and pOH increases with rise in temperature. So option C is the answer. Okay. We will meet in the next class.